It's your boy BT and I'm back with another video. So here we got this lovely SanDisk 16 gigabyte USB drive. I tried this procedure before. I'm gonna show you what I tried and why it did not work. So I attempted to update the maps and I was using this little guy in there and it would not respond to the USB drive. So I hit up a group of NSX users and they told me to go ahead and they suggested that I give this location a try. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna plug this guy right here. Plug him right here in that spot. How lovely. And we're gonna boot this up and see if we're able to get this to work. Oh, there's the strobes. All right, party time. All right, let's boot them up here. All right, so we're gonna go down to device and hit update map. There it is. We're gonna hit OK. Wow, look at that. Unbelievable. A simple process should actually be simple if you're plugged into the right USB drive. Okay, so we got that good. Now we'll just take this inside and follow the prompts and we should be good to go with the update. Also to add, the instruction says after you get this prompt, you should leave the drive plugged in for about 60 seconds. So we're just 60 seconds in, we're gonna plug this thing out, take it to the computer, see what we got. I'm here on the Garmin.com website, going to check for maps and map updates. So I'm gonna hit the automotive, gonna download the Garmin Express, download for a Mac. Okay, so that's downloaded. We're gonna go ahead and install that. So this is what comes up here. We're going to go ahead, install that. So now we hit continue, agree. All right, we're going to get started. We're going to add a device here. Oh, you know what? If we go back, we do need to actually give it access to the media. All right, so in order to get this app access, we need to come here into privacy, scroll down to files and folders, select removable volumes for Garmin, and that should get us good to go. So if I restart the application now, we should be in business. There we go. Fantastic. We're going to add this device. Okay, registration is optional. You can do it later if you want. In emails, just go ahead next. We're going to nickname this as the NSX. Hit next. Okay, so here I can see the software is up to date. So there is nothing to update right now. You can see all the map details here. So this is how you at least can get the map in, you can at least get the, so this is how you can take these steps here to at least get the update process underway. As far as the actual instructions go, I'm going to pull those up real quick so at least you can see what the steps are and where you can actually find those. So somewhere on here is a list. See if we have it in this list. Okay, so let's go to the resource docs. There we go. And then if we come over to Garmin update, here are the instructions. You plug it in, you update the map, you hit OK, wait for 60 seconds. We did this. Then we came in here, we installed Garmin Express, we added the device, gave it a name. We see this is the step we got to. There was no update available, but in the instance there was, it would actually do what's needed here. Make this a little bigger. It would download, get all of that ready on the drive, prepare the update, and then once all those files have copied to the USB drive, you head back to the car, you plug in the USB drive, you hit settings, device, you select update map, and you just let it run. And that's it, update successful. So those are the instructions. Yeah, so here as mentioned, it says please use this one. That one was not responding for me. So as mentioned, I did switch to the other one. So there you have it. So there are some instructions on how to update your map. As you can see, my map is already good to go. So no changes here. But as for this one, we're done. We're out. I'll catch you guys on the next video.